Hi, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz C-Class C300 4MATIC. This is in a white exterior with a black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist, 4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz, and C300 badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Premium Burmester sound system. Rear seats. Memory seats with driver seat controls, heated seats, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel. Push button ignition. Radio, backup camera, climate controls, center console, and Mercedes-Benz shifter. And if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmanimports.com.